support from a Pakistani leader, and the fact that the Pakistani leader is showing interest in elections in Amethi. Smriti Irani, without mincing her words, has given a very stern message to Pakistan. Cites former Pak minister's post, the one in which Fawad Hussain shared a clip of Rahul Gandhi. Smriti Irani takes a dig on Fawad Hussain and says, handle your crisis first.
तुमने पाकिस्तान ना समझता, तुम अमेठी की चिंता करते हो और पाकिस्तान को नेता करने और वहां जाकर अमेठी का परिचय देना चाहती हूँ। ये वो अमेठी है जिसमें नरेंद्र मोदी ने AK-203 की राइफल की फैक्ट्री लगाई है और यही राइफल की फैक्ट्री भारत की सरहद पर पाकिस्तानी आतंकवादियों को ढेर करने के लिए। आज मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ कि पाकिस्तान के साथ ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है राहुल जी। आज मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ, चुनाव चल रहा है देश में, समर्थन मिल रहा है आपको विदेश में। तो मैं कांग्रेस के प्रत्याशी से लड़ती थी, अब पता चला है दादा कि पाकिस्तान के लोगों ने, एक पाकिस्तान के नेता ने कहा है स्मृति ईरानी को हराना चाहिए। हम वालल्ला, तुमने पाकिस्तान ना समझता, तुम अमेठी की चिंता करते हो और पाकिस्तान को नेता करने और वहां जाकर अमेठी का परिचय देना चाहती हूँ।
Sabyasachi continues to be with us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, Smriti Irani, they're raking up the issue of support coming in from a Pakistan former minister for Rahul Gandhi, and she is in fact questioning the interest that this individual is showing in Amethi election.
Well, absolutely. Union Minister Smriti Irani has questioned the support that has been coming in for Rahul Gandhi from Pakistan. Fawad Hussain, a former Pakistan minister, has shared a video of Rahul Gandhi, and in fact, the interest that is coming in from Pakistan towards the Congress party at this particular point, the BJP, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, have attacked the Congress party. In fact, the BJP have asked what is the interest of Rahul Gandhi's partners in this, and the BJP has also questioned that why there is so much love for Pakistan and so much hatred for the Indian army. Smriti Irani has hit back at Fawad Hussain, stating that they should focus more on their internal crisis rather on focusing on the Indian politics. Meanwhile, the BJP has been questioning the Congress party's soft stand as far as Pakistan is concerned. The BJP says that time and again we had seen that from several leaders of the Congress party, a support stand for the Pakistan has been coming in, and also the Prime Minister has said that within the India Bloc alliance, the leaders are holding a competition among themselves as who can give a more anti-national comment this time around. So clearly BJP is raking up the issue after the support has come in from Pakistan for the Congress party.
Stay on with us, Sabyasachi. Let's take a look at the posts that Smriti Irani is talking about. Aditi is getting us details.
Well, exactly. And look at this tweet by the Pakistani Neta. Hope Amethi will defeat this hate monger. Smriti Irani tagging and commenting on the Amethi fight. This is where this sparked a storm in India. The Union Minister Smriti Irani is saying that if you can't handle Pakistan, stop commenting on internal matters in India, and also has questioned why is Rahul Gandhi silent on the support that he is getting from the Pakistan.
Thank you very much, Aditi and Sabyasachi, for getting us the details. Very quick break. With that, news and updates will continue.